Well, guys, if you're looking for some very high quality eye protection for your shooting activities, let me introduce you to Magna Lens. And these have some pretty amazing features that I want to talk to you about here today. So I'm always impressed when a company puts time and effort into presentation. You got a magnetic box here, really nice box. But this kit, here's the actual eye protection in here. And if you don't want just the darker shades like I've got on right now, they've got all kinds of different colors in here. So purple, different kinds of, there's orange, yellow, clear, whatever. And there's other things in here I'll talk about in just a moment that's part of this kit. But then also you have some electronic earmuffs here. And again, I'll show you this, but these are noise reducing, suppressing electronic earmuffs, and you can control the gain and volume on each ear independently, and has these little magnets here, and that's a big part of this kit is the magnets. Of course, this also comes with a case here, so nice case, and some other things I'll talk about as we get into this here today. So obviously when you're shooting, you want to have some high quality eyes and ears. And these are not only just regular glasses like these, sunglasses, protective sunglasses, but again, you have different colors in here. But what's amazing about this is I can remove these normal side pieces here and actually attach them through a magnetic system to earmuffs like this. Or if you have the Walker's earmuffs like these right here that we sell on our website, we love these Walker's electronic noise suppressing earmuffs as well. And you can get that on provideprotectshop.com. But they also sell a adapter kit for the Walker. So if you like the Walkers, you like the thin razor ones and not so big like this, then you can just use the Walkers and put these little adapters right here instead, and then you can use it with your Walkers, which is pretty nice. So let me show you how this works and why I really like this. On these right here, let me see if I make sure you got this in the camera. You got a little tab. You can kind of pull down that tab right there, and then pull out these side pieces. Go obviously over your ears, and then you can put. There's 3 sizes of these right here. You got a medium, you've got a long one, and you got a short right here. So you see those 3 sizes. So I'm going to go with a medium here today because that's the size of my head, I guess. But the way this works is you just push this into the side till you hear the click, and you can adjust them. You know, it's not just one place. You can adjust all of these up and down. But get the other medium one. I'll put them right here. And the idea is that when you have these on your head, okay, it automatically connects right there. So imagine this being on your head. It's going to be kind of hard doing this by myself here today, but you can get the idea like this, okay? Now, why would you want that? Well, if you have the normal glasses going in, eye protection going underneath, kind of over your ear, well, not only is that not very comfortable, number one, but number two, that will create a break of the seal around your ear. And so doing it like this increases the really the protection, the decibel level of a loud sound protection by 17 decibels. So that's really nice. So there's a couple of good reasons to have something like this. And they just, like you just saw, they just kind of pop right on. And so it's not hard to figure out, you know, when it's on there like that. So that's pretty ingenious. And again, like, you know, you can get the adapters and put it on the Walkers if you don't like these. These ears, by the way, what about these earmuffs? So obviously they're adjustable, you know, on the side like they all are. Nice, comfortable headband up here. And again, they've got a volume control and the gain control on the outside. The gain for the ambient gain on each one. And sometimes you may just want to control the volume and sound on one ear as opposed to the other ear or something. You know, if a gun's on one side or the other, or maybe your hearing is better in one or the other, I don't know. You can. I like the micro adjustments on this. Microphones down here, so that's nice. So anyway, very, very nice, very high quality, and I've been using these today. I'm at the range right now. Been using these here today. So that's the idea. Just go on there. And the other thing I like about these, again, you can change out. I've got them on the darker shades right here. But to change these out is pretty simple. You just kind of pull up right here on the sides, and these come off. These side pieces come off, so do it on this side here for you. Pull that up and out. And then this nose piece right here, it's got a little tab, and you just pull that tab, and the nose piece pops out. And so if I wanted to just do a clear, or maybe a less dark, I can do that and just push this one back into the case. And then it's just the reverse. If you putting this back in, it's got a little place where you put the tabs of the actual eye protection on there. Snaps back in. Again, both sides are the same like that. It goes in a little groove. Once it's in that groove, then it just folds back on. So now we have a less dark, more clear. Maybe you should say, I don't know, some eye protection. So anyway, oh yeah, and then of course the nose piece here. It just slides up and kind of clicks there into place. So there you go. So now, what I'll do, I guess, is probably the best thing. I'm just going to step back and show you what this looks like. All right, like I said, you got these volume controls. I can hear everything going on out here. And then with those little magnetic things, I just put them on, and they pop into place, which is really nice because they're very comfortable. So I really like these. So guys, I'll drop a link for these down below. And if you have any questions about these and maybe other uses for them, then also let me know in the comments as well. But I hope it's been helpful for you guys. And if you wouldn't mind, please hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate you and your support for us. We'll see you in the next video.